Meaning of food.
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 Food. Food refers to any substance that people or animals can consume to provide energy, promote growth and development, and maintain bodily functions. It is typically derived from plants or animals and can be consumed raw or cooked. Food provides essential macronutrients such as carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, as well as micronutrients, including vitamins and minerals. In addition to its physiological benefits, food plays an important role in cultural and social aspects of human life, and is often associated with celebrations and gatherings. Overall, food is an essential component of human life and our overall well-being.